Hi, I present to you chicken terrine or chicken casserole with frozen vegetables. Terrine is prepared quickly and easily, but it turns out almost dietary, light and tasty. First, cut the onion into small cubes and add to the minced meat. Usually, I only make terrine with frozen vegetables. But I had some mushrooms left, and I decided to add them to the dish too. As they say, porridge, butter will not spoil. We send mushrooms and defrosted vegetables to the minced meat, and mix all the ingredients. Grate cheese on a coarse grater. Add the egg to the cream and beat with a whisk. Do not forget to add salt and spices. Combine minced meat, mixture, half a serving of cheese, and mix everything. Grease the form with oil, spread the mass and level. Then we send it to the oven preheated to 200 degrees and bake for 30 minutes. At the end of the time, sprinkle the terrine with the remaining cheese and let it melt. Let the casserole cool in the form, and cut into pieces.
Enjoy your meal. I wish you successful culinary masterpieces. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.